In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Tinder app. So if you're trying to open your Tinder dating app and the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can put an end to this by fixing any problem on your app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot your app. For the first method, you need to access the app information page, and for this, just go ahead and access the app through settings. So if you tap on settings, scroll down and then look for the option called apps. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone using the option called more apps or manage apps. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone and this is a Redmi smartphone. So I'll use this manage apps to list all the apps that I have. From here, scroll and find your app. And here is my Tinder app. So if you can't find your app, you can use the search function here to search for your app. And then once you find it, just tap on it to open it. From here, you will see you are now on the app information page. Now, this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. Now, if getting to this page is quite complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then go ahead and look for your app. And once you find it, just long press on it, go ahead and choose the second option, and this will again take you to the app information page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially cache data using the clear data option here. So if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data on our app. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of cache files, and when we talk of cache files, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores each and every time you use it. Now, these files are normally stored to enhance your user experience, but the problem is accumulation of them might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, just go ahead and choose this option called clear data, and at this point choose the second option called clear cache, and then okay, and look at that, the cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open your app, and it should now open or work without any problem. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you need to come at this page again, or this app info page, and then this time around choose clear all data and then okay. Now this will go ahead and wipe out all the app data, and you'll have to log in afresh for you to be able to use this app. Now this should have solved your problem. Now, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and use the third and the last method, and that is accessing the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For that, I'll just go ahead and look for my Google Play Store, and here it is. And then I'll go ahead and search for my Tinder app. As you can see, it is here. At this point, go ahead and look for any update. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Tinder app. Go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Tinder app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this is done, now you can proceed and open your Tinder app, and it should work or function without any problem. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Tinder app and fix any error. If this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.